Now we have second method, that is Castigliano's second theorem. Now this is actually a little bit lengthy and to understand is difficult because we have to take moment clockwise, anti-clockwise, and that concept we have to apply over here. So in your whole syllabus, only theorem of three moments, that concept of hugging sagging required. In other we need not require. We can use sign convention, that is clockwise plus anti-clockwise minus. Now we can, you can see, we will go what is Castigliano's second theorem. Now this theorem actually states that partial derivative of strain energy with respect to redundant is minimum, and minimum means we have this value 0, we have value 0 except where we have sinking allowed. If sinking is allowed, then that will be my value, that is of partial derivative of strain energy. So now you can see we have strain energy for flexural member, that is m square dx upon 2 ei. So if we will take derivative with redundant, then we are going to get it as 2m w by w r to a ei, and that will gives us m 2 gets cancelled, and we are going to get this in this way. Now this value, we are in most of the cases we have this value 0. Where we do not have this value 0, only where sinking is allowed. Or we have springs, only there we cannot have this value as 0. In all other cases we have that value as 0. That means we are not allowing displacement. And we know the first theorem of Castigliano's, that is partial derivative with respect to any load gives deflection, and here deflection at redundant, that is at reaction, is 0, and therefore we are going to say that is minimum is 0 except your sinking is given. So now we will go to the first problem, that is analyze B maybe. Same problems I have considered so that you can compare the answer, you can compare how much time is required for this method. Now when you will go for Castigliano's second theorem, you have to find out static indeterminacy. As if you will go to slope deflection method, you have to go for kinematic indeterminacy. Flexibility, again static indeterminacy. If we will go to stiffness, then you have to go for kinematic indeterminacy. So your slope deflection and your stiffness, these two are with unknown displacements. We have to find displacements over there. And if we will go to Castigliano's theorem, or if you will go to the flexibility method, there we are reactions are unknown. So therefore we have to go for static indeterminacy. Moment distribution, actually we need not require to go for static indeterminacy, or we need not require to go for kinematic indeterminacy. That is not related with this. We are going to get moments there. Whatever moments actually we have calculated in theorem of three moments. In theorem of three moments, you have seen, in theorem of three moments we have calculated moments over there. In flexibility and Castigliano's theorem, we are going to find out redundant reactions. So now we have R equal to 3 reactions. We have 3, 2 at fixed support and 1 at roller support. You can see RA, MA and RB. But we are not going to consider any horizontal reaction over there. I have simply mentioned over here, as axial displacement is neglected, so horizontal reaction and horizontal equilibrium equation is also neglected. In some cases what happens, if we will go to the examination and by mistake or by printing mistake, they are going to give it as simple support, and when they are going to give it as simple support, then students are confused to solve these problems, because in that case your reactions, they are going to consider 3 over here, and they are going to consider 2 over here, so total they are considered 5, and they are not in position then to solve this problem. So that is most important, whenever you will go for it, that method may be your Castigliano's theorem, that method may be your slope deflection method, that method may be your moment distribution method, maybe flexibility method, maybe stiffness method. In all these methods we are going to consider axial displacement 0, or we are going to neglect axial displacement, and as we are going to neglect axial displacement, that means we do not have horizontal reaction over there, and therefore we have all horizontal reactions are neglected in this case. So now we will go number of redundants. We have R minus equilibrium equations, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Now consider here, you have to consider redundant, and that is most important, which reaction you are going to consider as redundant. Now we will go for member. So we have origin. So this table is most important. So we have member, origin, limit, EI, M, and DABA M by DABA RB. So now this table you have to write, and that table writing plays very important role. Now we will go with this table. So now we have only one span. So we are going to consider x from RB. So now as we are considering x from RB, so we have to write down the equation. Member we are going to consider BA. Origin I have considered origin B. Limit we have 0 to L. EI we have EI. M we have RB into x minus WX square by 2. We are considering from right section we have considered, and we are considering from right. So my anti-clockwise plus, clockwise minus, and therefore we will get RBX minus WX square by 2. So if we will go DABA M by DABA RB, then I will get this value as x. Now I know I know DABA M by DABA RB, then I can have this equation M into DABA M by DABA R into dx upon EI. Now, and that is equal to 0. Now I will substitute this value. So we have M RBX minus WX square by 2, and DABA M by DABA RB we have x, and then we are going to integrate it. Now we have to integrate this integration. We can calculate directly from calculators, because diploma student mainly afraid of this mathematics, but not all of this, but most of the diploma students. So here you can use calculators directly to calculate the value. Now you will be surprised. RB, so RB is constant, we can take RB outside, and then we have integration of x square. Now when we have 0 to L, we cannot go, actually we have to go manually, but if you have values over here, then you can go directly from your calculators. And then we have, this is minus, so I have separate out the terms. First I have taken RBX into x, and then we have minus WX square by 2 into x, and then we are going to get this. If we will solve this, then we are going to get value of RB L cube by, sorry, this value of RB into L cube by 3, that is equal to WL4 by 8, and from this I will get RB value as 3 WL by 8. So table preparation plays very important role if we will go to Castigliano's second theorem, and then you have integration. As problem is single span, then it becomes easy, but if you have two words in this span, then your problem becomes very tedious. If you will go, or very lengthy, better I will say, when we will go for Castigliano's second theorem. So Castigliano's second theorem is a little bit lengthy, and now once I know value of RB, then we can find value of RA, we can find value of MA. You can see we have just same equations which we have used in theorem of three moments, and then we are going to get this value equal to 0. RA we will get 5 WL by 8. Then take moment about A 0, and by that we are going to get value of MA. We have seen WL square by 8. So we have MA as WL square by 8. So now this is all about your first problem, which we have taken proper cantilever, and that is UDL. Now second problem we have taken same, when I will go by using Castigliano's second theorem. And then you can see we have taken 90 kilonewton, 2 meter, 5 meter, total 3 meters. And then we will go for the free body diagram. So we have this free body diagram. Here free body diagram plays very important role, because we have to take the sections, and we have to take moment of that section, and therefore that is required over here. So now we have again static indeterminacy, or we have R reactions 3, RA, MA, RB. We have two equilibrium equations, and therefore we have only one redundant we require, and we have considered redundant as RB. Now we will go to the table. Now you can see member, we have origin, limit, EI, M, DABA M by DABA RB. Now there we have only one row because we have only one span UDL we have, so my equation of moment is not going to change over here. Now what will be happen in this case? Now you can see. So we have span. If we will go now to the table, then there you can see you have this as BC origin, but we have 0 to 3. We have taken B to C, not B to A. In first we have same moment in whole span, but here my moment equation is going to change from B to C and then C to A, and therefore we have to consider two separately. So I have 0 to 3, then we have 3 EI. M will be RB into X. We do not have any load between B to C, so we have RB into X, and then we have X there, what will be dabba M by dabba RB. Now this will be first, which will be between B to C. Now we have second portion, that is between C to B. Now C to B, where I am considering origin. Origin I am considering as C. So if I will consider origin from C, then what will be moment due to RB? That is most important. That moment is RB into X plus 3, because your value X is from C. So we are taken X from C. And as X is from C, so we have RB into X plus 3. So you can see this second row of this CA. So we have C as origin, 0 to 2, 3 EI, RB into X plus 3, which is anti-clockwise plus, because we are writing from right side, minus 90X. And if we will take derivative of this with respect to B, then you are going to get this value, that is X plus 3. So now knowing this table or values in the table, then remaining things are simple, which is integration, and now that will be done by calculators only. So we have dabba u by dabba r, that is equal to 0, and then we will substitute these values. So first we have taken RB X into X, that is first row, and then we have second row, first term, RB X plus 3 into X plus 3 dx upon EI, minus second term 90x, and that is X plus 3 dx upon EI. And now if you will integrate, now you can go directly by using calculators. If you have calculators, you can check it. I will get these values directly by calculators. So RB you can take outside from the integrations, and by taking RB outside, you can have integration x square dx upon 3 EI, and that will gives you value, that is RB x cube upon 3 EI, that I have calculated in next step. So we have, that is 90x x plus 3 dx upon EI is 780, and then we have actually 3i gets cancelled from all, and we have therefore 9 RB plus 32.67 RB equal to 780 upon 3. 3 I have not considered because that will be cancelled from all, and I will get value of RB 18.72 kilonewton. So once we know value of RB by using equations, we are in position to determine the values of RA. So simply by using Fy0 and RA, we will get as 71.28 kilonewton. Now I can go moment about A0, and by using moment about A0, we are going to get value of MA as 86.4 kilonewton meters. So table preparation plays very important role, but lengthy we have now. When we will go ahead, then you will understand if your regions increased, then that becomes much lengthy, and then when it becomes lengthy and the calculations are more, and our chances to commit the mistakes increases. So we have third problem, that is same. We have, I already told you, I have considered same problems whatever we have considered by using theorem of three moments, and these problems again we are going to solve by using slope deflection. We are going to solve by moment distribution. Same problems we will solve. Then we have flexibility method, then we have stiffness. So all these problems we are going to solve by same method. So you are in position to judge for which loading, for which type of beam, which method is suitable. If I really want to appear for your competitive examination, that is for subjective, I can say gate, not gate I will say, but that is for your IES and others. So now we have this static indeterminacy. Now you can see we have three reactions, we have two equilibrium equations, and we have again one as static indeterminacy. And therefore, number of redundants actually we have reactions minus equilibrium equations, and that is one. And I have considered redundant as RA. Now, why I have not considered redundant RB? If I will consider RB, I have to take span from A to B. I have to take span from C to B. I cannot go from B to A, or I cannot go from B to C. We cannot start from middle. We can come from left continuous partly, and I can come right continuous partly. But I cannot start from middle. So RB I need not require in the table. Now why I considered RA and not considered RC? Because if I will consider redundant as RC, then I have to find RA in terms of RC. And then I have two regions where I have to use RA. But RC I have to use in only one region, which is CB, and therefore I can find RC in terms of RA and is one region. Therefore, it is preferable to consider RA as redundant. Now, in table, if you will see carefully, then you will come to know RA we have in A to D also and D to B also. We have D point we have to consider over here. So RA we have in A to D equations and in D to B equations, whereas RC is only in C to B equations. And then you can go moment about A0, and from this I will get value of RC in terms of RA. If I will consider RC as redundant, then I have to find in the same fashion value of RA. Here we have taken moment about B. Why moment about B? Because RB we need not require to involve in our equation. So we have to take a moment about RB, and that we have equated it to 0. And now we will go with the table. So we have same member, then we have origin, then we have limit, EI, M, and dabba M by dabba. Now we have this as dabba M by dabba RA. So we have this as RA. And now we will go with first. And now first we are going to consider this is D we have considered at 80 kilonewton, and we are considering A to D. So now you can see this. We have A to D. Origin we have taken A. 0 to 2 we have considered. EI we have EI. EI is constant. If EI constant, you need not require to involve column in your table. But better always we have practiced to be included in your table. So sometimes EI change, we need not require to forget it. So we have RA into X, and we have dabba M by dabba RA as X. Now we have second region, that is D to B, and for D to B my X is from D, my origin is D, and therefore we have taken RA as redundant because two rows are due to RA, and then we can have that is DB, then origin D, then 0 to 2 EI. Now what will be moment due to RA? So RA will be RA into X plus 2, because RA is at 2 meter from D, so 2 meter, and section is at X from D, so 2 plus X. So RA into X plus 2 we have, and due to 80 we have minus 80 into X. And then if we will take derivative with respect to A, we will get value as X plus 2. So we have this will be second. So you can see your rows increases, and when you have regions increases, and that will take more time when you will go for the integration part. And then we have third, that is between C to B. Then you can see X we have considered from C. So I have C, B, origin we have taken C, limit we have 0 to 6, EI we have EI. Now what is moment? We have RC into X. Now what is value of RC? If you remember in the last slide, we have 4 by 6 RA plus 200 by 6. So this RC into X, so I have substituted value of RC 4 by 6 RA plus 200 by 6, and that is into X, and minus 20 X square by 2. Now you take derivative with respect to a, then you will get value of 4 by 6 into x, because derivative we are taking with respect to ra, and x also we have, if we will take x inside, and that x is with ra also and with 200 by 6 also. And in this way we have this table, and now we have to integrate this table. So now integrating table, we have dabba u by dabba ra. So we have first Ra into x, and that is x dx plus ei, first part. C slowly. Then we have Ra x plus 2, x plus 2. Then we have minus 80 x into x plus 2, 80x into x plus 2 dx upon ei, and that will be your due to 80. Then you can go due to 4 by 6 ra, so we will multiply 4 by 6 ra into x, because x we have in the third row also, that is outside this, and then we have in dabba m by dabba ra also 4 by 6 x. So we have 4 by 6 rax into 4 by 6x. Then we have 200 upon 6x into again 4 by 6 into x dx upon ei, and then we have due to minus 20, which I will say minus 10x square 4 by 6 into x dx upon ei. So now we have to solve this, we have to integrate all these terms. Now you can see we have so many integration. So as your terms in the table increases, then your integration increases, and then your equation that becomes lengthy. So we have calculated these all integrations, and by calculating all these integrations, we are going to get values below. You can see that is in next slide. So we have that values in this fashion. So first 2.67 Ra upon Ei, and likewise we have these values. So Ei constant we have cancelled out, and then we are going to get this from this value of Ra 20.5 kilonewton. There also we have same value. And then knowing value of Ra, we are in position to find out value of Rb. Now we have to go for this. So we have this 80 kilonewton. We have taken moment about A0, and then we have MB minus 80 into 2 plus 20.5 into 4 equal to 0. And from this we will get value of so we have actually this value of Ra as 20.5 kilonewtons. And then we have to find value, and we will get values in this fashion. That value we have, that is 78 kilonewton meters. So now once we know this value, so we can go to the next, which is analyze beam ABC as shown in figure by using Castigliano's second theorem. Then we have taken this problem, and in this problem we have unknowns are 4. At A we have 2, B we have 1, and C we have 1. So RA, RB, RC, and MA. Now we have again no axial displacement, so we have only equations 2, Fy0 and M0. And then if we will here we have considered RB and RC as redundant. Why? Because if I will consider RA or MA, then again we have to find values of one unknown in terms of other. So here if I will consider RB and RC, and I will come from right only, I will not go from left. So I need not require to find out value of RA and value of MA. So here we can go with this. So we have now table. So member, origin, limit, EI, M, dabba M by dabba RC, and dabba M by dabba RB. Now if your unknowns are increases, that is redundant, I can say that are increases, then your table also that is larger one. So now if you will see theorem of three moments and time required for Castigliano's second theorem, then you can realize. So here I have this, then I will consider first, that is due to RC. So we have to take dabba M by dabba RC. So now we will consider first, that is the region. CB. Now origin C, limit 0 to 5, we have 3 EI. M, now if you will see, we have taken section between C to B, and then we have C to B, so we have RC into X, we have RC into X, and we have due to load minus 40x square by 2. So that is due to UDL. Now we will take derivative with respect to RC, then it becomes X. But if I will take it with RB, we do not have any term of RB in this, so this becomes 0. So this will be first region. Now I will go to the next region, that is B to A, and here I have to consider again X from B, so that you can see we have taken X from B, and we have to take moment again at section XX. Then we will go to the region, that is BA, then we have B as origin, and then we have 0 to 3, then 2 EI, we have RC into X plus 5, because we have X from B, and from B C is 5 meters, so X plus 5. Now due to 40 kilonewton per meter, so you have total load 40 into 5, that is 40 into 5, which will act at 2.5 meter from B. So I have moment, that is 2.5 plus X, that you can see. So minus 40 into 5 will be total load. Moment we have to take at X. So we have X plus 2.5, because total load will act at center of 5 meter, that is 2.5 meter. And then we have due to RB plus RB into X, as anticlockwise plus. So moment due to RB and RC we have plus. And then we have due to 60, that is minus 60x square by 2. If we will take dabba M by dabba RC, we have X plus 5, because RC we have RC into X plus 5, and if we will take dabba M by dabba RB, you have X. So now we have this table. Once we have this table, so we have to first find equation by M into dabba M by dabba RC, that is equal to 0, and second by M into dabba M by dabba RB, that is equal to 0, and by these two you will get two simultaneous equation. You have to solve these two simultaneous equation, and by solving these two simultaneous equation you will get value of RB and value of RC. Now you can see this. So we have dabba U by dabba RC, and then we will get these values in this fashion. So we have this value. So first we have RC into X, and that is again into X. Separate out here only. EI, keep in mind we have 3 EI, minus 20x square by 20x square into X dx upon 3 EI, and in the same fashion we have this value, and then RC into X plus 5. This will be at M into dabba M by dabba RC. So this is most important. We have taken, so we have taken this term and we have taken this term, and then we have multiplied it. RC X plus 5 whole square dx upon EI minus 40 into 5, I have taken 200. 200 into X plus 2.5 plus RB X plus 5, and then we have last term minus 60x square, that becomes 30x square in bracket X plus 5, and that is X into dx, X plus 5 we have taken, and dx upon 2 EI. So for BA we have EI 2, and for CB we have 3, and then we can go to the integration part of this, and then you can integrate it, and after integration we are going to get values in this fashion. And then if you will solve this, then you will get value equation, first equation 78.39 RC plus likewise. Now we will go to the second, where I have M into, so this second part I got this by taking M into dabba M by dabba RB, and then all as it is we have, that is integration, and that we are going to get it equal to 0. And then you can see, I will go back, and then you can see we have this value 0. So now we are taking this value, that is M, and with this. So now from this term multiply by this becomes 0. So I do not have any value due to dabba m by dabba rb in CB. So now how many terms? So RC x plus 5 into x minus 40 into 5 x plus 2.5 into x RB into x minus 60 by 2, that is 30x square into x. So we are going to get these four terms over there, and then you can see we have these four terms 1, 2, 3, 4. So RC x plus 5x minus 200, that is 40 into 5 x plus 2.5x RBx into x and 30x square x dx upon 2ei. So we have 2ei only because we have only CB portion. And then if you will solve this, then you are going to get in this fashion, and then we have this second equation. Now I will solve these two equations. I will get value of RC, I will get value of RB, and I will get value of RA. So in this way we can find these values, but knowing these values, how we will go for the moment? So actually I will go to the back where we will get this moment that I have actually skipped, but you should know how we will find this moment. So now here you can see we have this value and we have calculated from this value of RA, and now actually we have taken this moment about B0. So you have to separate out each part separately, and then you can go to find out the moment over here. And now if I will take moment about B0, then we have MB as clockwise plus, then we have minus 80 into 2 because anti-clockwise, and then we have plus 20.5 into 4, and that is equal to 0. And then from this I will get value of MB, that is 78 kilonewton meter. So if you will go to the next problem also, you have to separate out each beam, and by separate out you are in position to find out the values. So that is most important, how to calculate values from this, and that I can understand. Here also if I will go, so let us, we will see I have calculated these values or not, that we can see. No, so just one we can go. So now if I will consider moment B, so I have this moment as 232.43. Then we have this reaction which is at C 81.44. RC moment we have 0. We have UDL over here. And then we have moment over here, that is moment MB. And now you can take moment about B0, and by taking moment about B0, so we know this value is 40. And moment about B0, unknown is only MB, and we are going to get, so we can have moment about B0, so we have minus 81.44, and we have this span as 5. Then we have plus 40 into 5 into 2.5, and then we have minus MB, and that will gives me value of MB. So we can find in this way, because you can see here, so we have this span that is 0 to 5 for CB, and therefore we have taken 0 to 5, and I will get value of MB. So we can find in this way, and we will get it. And so this is all about your Castigliano's second theorem, and this completes actually SA1. So we have